Hi, Crystal here, inventor of the TwinGo, and I'm going to show you how to use the sleep hood from behind to support your sleeping baby's head. So, 3 easy steps are, first, you want to get your sleep hood prepared before you put your baby even in the carrier, and that's going to be unrolling it, and 2 is to snap the hood extension straps to the small snaps on the waistband. This is gonna set you up for super duper quick success in grabbing those extension straps from behind. So I've already got the sleep hood unrolled and the extension straps attached at the waist. So these are easy to find. It's underneath the baby's leg. Step 2 is unsnapping and getting it up and over. So with my left hand, I'm unsnapping and letting go. Very key is that when we're gonna put this over our baby's head, we've gotta do it one-handed to start out with. So with my right hand, I'm unsnapping, not touching with my left hand. I'm gonna flick my wrist back. So it allows my arm to go up and over like a breaststroke. If you find that you're not this flexible, then you can also bring it up and underneath your right armpit. Hold with your left hand, and then bring it up and over. So at this point, you're gonna find this extension strap with your left hand and walk your hand across the fabric so that you can get it all up and over your baby's head. The final step is just snapping it to the shoulder strap. There are 4 snaps, 2 on each strap, and this is up to you which snaps that you use, the inner or the outer ones. And then once you've got that done, you are good to go. But the 4 snaps are so that you can have 2 sleeping babies, one on the front, one on the back, which would make one happy twin parent. So good luck and sweet dreams.